Hi viewers, welcome you all. Today I am going to show you how to prepare or make gulab jamun from Veg Recipes Blogspot. Ingredients for gulab jamun: 200 grams of gulab jamun mix powder, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder or elaichi powder. For 200 grams of gulab jamun mix powder, you have to add 600 grams of sugar, 600 ml of water to make sugar syrup for gulab jamun. Sugar and water is for sugar syrup for the gulab jamun. We are going to prepare sugar syrup for gulab jamun. We kept already 600 ml of water and in gas, so we switch on the flame already. We're going to add sugar with this one. 600 grams of sugar, 600 ml of water for 200 grams of gulab jamun mix powder. We're going to add the elaichi powder, cardamom powder. The mixture should be boiled. After that we have to keep in sim flame for 5 minutes. The sugar syrup. Gulab jamun mix powder is readily available in the market. You can buy that one. Supermarket you will get. This is the powder. You open the packet and transfer into the bowl.
Make a dough.
You're going to prepare the dough now. Going to add little water. Approximately 50 ml of water is sufficient for 200 grams of gulab jamun mix powder. Now the sugar syrup is boiling. We are going to keep in sim flame. Sugar syrup is in sim flame now. It should be for approximately 5 minutes. Dough is getting ready. We are going to make these as small balls, which we will fry in the oil. Oil as required to fry. This is the consistency required to make as a ball. We are making as a ball. See the ball. So here to prepare a ball, take little dough, make like this. Sugar syrup is ready now. It should be in greasy consistency. So we have to check like this. It should be in greasy consistency, not in string consistency. It should be in greasy consistency. We're going to switch off the flame now. We added oil in the pan to fry the dough of gulab jamun. Let the oil get heated up. We made the gulab jamun powder as small balls. The dough in balls. Approximately for 200 grams of powder you can make around 40 numbers. We are going to deep fry these balls. After that we will add this one to the sugar syrup which we prepared already. Oil is ready to fry now. We are going to fry the balls. The oil should be kept in medium sim flame, so it will cook. Whole ball will be cooked properly. The ball has to turn to light brown color. It should be in sim flame. It should be fried in sim flame. See, ready to remove. In this stage you have to remove this ball. See how nicely it's fried. So we have to fry these balls in sim flame. Should not be fried in medium flame or large flame. It should be in sim flame. If you are frying in full flame or medium flame, the outside will get cooked, inside the dough will be as it is. So it should be in sim flame. It takes time, but see, wow, the balls are cooked now. It's ready to put in sugar syrup. We're going to add this one. Sugar syrup you should keep in little bit hot. In sim flame we can keep because it should be hot. So we're going to add this one to the sugar syrup. We're going to add this one to the sugar syrup. Wow, see, we should close this one and keep for 5 minutes. Gulab jamun, nicely prepared gulab jamun just for you from Veg Recipes Blogspot. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.